Effortless elegance, mastering the natural makeup look. Hello, makeup enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the realm of makeup to achieve that perfect natural look that enhances your beauty effortlessly. Whether you're a makeup newbie or a seasoned pro, mastering the art of natural makeup is a must. Get ready to radiate confidence with this simple yet stunning look. Let's jump right into it. Step 1. Fresh canvas. Start with a clean and moisturized face. Hydrated skin provides the perfect base for your makeup. Step 2. Even out your complexion. Apply a lightweight foundation or tinted moisturizer to even out your skin tone. Focus on areas that need a bit of coverage. Step 3. Conceal gently. Use a creamy concealer to cover any blemishes or under-eye circles. Blend it gently with your ring finger for a seamless finish. Step 4. Natural brows. Enhance your brows with a brow pencil or powder. Follow your natural brow shape and fill in any sparse areas. Step 5. Soft eye makeup. Opt for neutral eyeshadow shades like soft browns or subtle pinks. Apply a wash of color over your eyelids for a barely there look. Step 6. Defining lashes. Coat your lashes with a coat of mascara. Wiggle the wand at the base of your lashes and sweep upwards for a natural lift. Step 7. Blushing glow. Apply a natural toned blush to the apples of your cheeks. Smile while doing so to find the perfect placement. Step 8. Subtle lip color. Opt for a lip tint or nude lipstick that enhances your lip color. Keep it soft and understated. Step 9. Set gently. Finish off with a setting spray to lock in your makeup. Hold the spray a bit further from your face for a light mist. And there you have it, the steps to achieve an effortlessly elegant natural makeup look. This look is perfect for everyday wear, enhancing your features while letting your natural beauty shine through. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your fellow makeup lovers. Subscribe for more makeup inspiration, and until next time, radiate confidence and beauty.